going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're back here with the old Trent today.
Oh, yes.
And, sir, would you like to explain?
So, I've been looking for a dirt bike, and, I asked my dad, because I knew we had one in the back shed. I asked him if he was selling it, and he said he wouldn't sell it, but he'd give it to me. So we're going to pick that up. I have no idea what it is.
Yeah, we don't know what it is, so our reaction to what it is going to be genuine in the video.
Yes, because I can't remember what it is. My father can't remember what it is.
It's been back there for
quite a while.
A long time. So we're on the way to Trent's parents' house right now, and we're going to pick her up, and we're going to see if we can get her running today.
I think we'll be able to.
Yeah. So we'll pick back up when we're at Trent's house. All right, we have arrived at the old
destination.
At our destination. So we're going to go.
Should we just add to the video right now, since we're already in the process of filming it, and should we just build the anticipation, and then we'll give them sneak peeks of as we're grabbing it out, but then we'll show them when we get it to the house. We'll build up.
Yes.
We'll build up their anticipation. So we'll show them like part of it in the bed of the truck.
Yes.
And then we'll show the full thing when we get it back to the house.
All right. So we're gonna go grab the bike. We're gonna load it up, and we're gonna give you guys a sneak peek back to the house.
And then we'll show the.
And then we'll show you guys what we got.
Yep.
That's a good idea. Good idea, Hoss.
We'll build the anticipation.
I like that. All right, my camera died. So we're just gonna remake this clip. So, because I don't know if it's safe. So we got the hog back there.
Yeah.
Kind of see it.
That's our sneak peek for right now.
A sneak peek. It's a pretty rare bike. I think.
Yeah.
I'm thinking. I don't know.
It was made for 3 years. So. Yeah. I would assume that it's going to be quite rare.
We'll see. We'll see. Well,
this one, it doesn't have first gear, so there's that. But it got rode around like that for years with no first gear.
So it's fine.
Yes, it'll be all right.
Because it's semi-auto, so we don't have a clutch or anything.
We'll see what happens.
But we're on our way back to Trent's.
Yeah.
And I guess we'll pick her up when we're there.
Yep. We'll get the old hog figured out.
Yeah. All right, Trent.
All right, so here's the absolute menace to society we have.
We got ourselves a 74 Honda ST90.
Yes. With a 79 ORV sticker.
Yeah, 79 ORV sticker on the old little toolbox there.
Yes.
Thing. How do you feel about this?
Oh, this is an absolute piece of machinery right here.
Yeah.
It's gonna take a little bit of work, but
definitely gonna need some work, but
it should be.
She's got about.
She's been ran.
2,200 on the clock.
She's been ran.
Of probably excessively heavy miles.
Oh yes.
But yeah, we're gonna get this hog. Probably just give her a quick
carb clean and spark plug replacement. And
she'll
crank right up.
See if we can't get her to crank.
We'll see if we can get her to bottle feed first before we throw gas in her.
Yeah. So
that was a great sound for our video. Just a.
Yep. That was
That was Shane's woman.
That was the cat.
That was Shane's woman with her pregnancy noises.
Yeah. Anyway. So we're gonna take this carb off, I reckon, and get her going, huh?
Oh, no way.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the old spark plug out. She's got a pretty decent amount of compression.
Good amount of compression.
We're not throwing a compression gauge on it, but she if you can maybe see on my middle finger there.
She's not flipping off the camera.
No, she sucked down. She sucked pretty good. And we got zip ties holding our fuel lines on down.
Yes, absolutely beautiful.
So we're about to pop the carb off, and
I'm gonna try to do this without cutting fuel line. I mean, I might have enough where I can cut fuel lines, and I honestly might.
Oh, so just throw a pair. You got a pair of DACs?
We're just gonna cut fuel lines because I've got enough.
I don't think. Oh, we already cut fuel line.
Yep, we're already cutting fuel line.
We're already committed.
I got plenty of extra. Oh wow.
Oh, you know how to start it?
So we're gonna.
Oh. Okay. This might drain the tank.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we got to show you guys this tank. It's sludged up. So we're gonna get this carb off and pick it back up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the carb having torn apart here, and these jets are not plugged. It was stored. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see in there.
Uh-oh.
It's not going to focus that close, but it didn't have fuel in it.
No, it is extremely clean.
Extremely clean.
Like, if we can somehow pull off spark, we can have this thing running.
Yes, and we do have the spark's iffy, but it is existent. So we are.
So this carb clean was extremely easy.
Yeah, we're just going to probably just give everything a once over.
Yeah.
Just a nice scrub, and yeah.
We'll go from there.
We'll go from there, ladies and gentlemen. We'll get this carb back together. All right, guys. So we got the old cap off and our points here. I'm trying to, I'll try to focus. Maybe. Come on, focus. The points are pretty clean, but we're gonna just clean them up a touch, just see if we can get a little bit more spark than what we got, because we'd like a little bit more spark, you know?
Yes, and I want to see if we actually need a battery for this thing to run.
I don't think we do.
Because my dad said it needs a battery in it for it to run.
It doesn't, because we wouldn't have spark.
That is true.
So Trent's gonna clean off these points right quick.
We really need to start timing how long it takes us to get stuff running.
Yes.
Because we've done pretty good.
We'll just start a series on YouTube called "Can We Make It Run?"
Like, I think the fastest thing I ever got running was the Jeep, and I literally got it started on the trailer.
Yes.
It took like 3 cranks and it fired.
It's better.
It's better. I'm half tempted just to take them off, but I don't want to try to regap them.
Yeah. I'd say we just leave them.
Yeah.
You can maybe adjust them a bit. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what gets us more spark. So,
yeah.
Gonna get these all cleaned up, ladies and gentlemen, and get back to it. Ladies and gentlemen, me and Trent are trying to currently figure out a no spark issue.
Yes, we have no spark.
Yeah, we're going to probably start by adjusting the points down there. We cleaned out a ton of rat's nest in here.
Oh, dude.
There's a dead mouse right there.
Carcass.
Very old carcass.
Where'd my hammer go? My hammer, oh, it's right here.
Yeah. So,
Let's see what we can do here.
currently we got no spark.
I'm trying to get these screws off.
Yes, you can.
Honda really liked their Phillips screws. For
See
some
if we
reason.
can't, give her a quick adjustment. See if we can pick up some spark.
See if I can figure out how you're even supposed to adjust these ones. These ones
If we
are
can get
odd.
spark, we can probably get fire.
Oh yes, because the carburetor is beautiful.
Yes. Carb's good to go.
Okay, well obviously taking this one all the way out is not going to loosen this up. So I guess we gotta go with this one.
Yes.
Alrighty then.
So
We'll
get back to
update.
you guys in a second.
Yeah.
All right, sir. What we got going?
All right, so we're trying to figure out our no spark problem. Is my knife over there?
Yes, it's open.
Okay. Can I have it?
It's open, sir.
Can I have it?
It's open,
You
sir.
can hand it to me. You just can't close it. Oh my gosh.
Can't hand it. Can't grab an open knife, sir.
Oh, I don't want to hear it. Anyways, after that whole little fiasco there, we cannot seem to figure out our no spark issue. So that's where we're at currently. I'm checking the points wire right now. It looked kind of gross, so I'm gonna. Ooh, yeah, it's quite corroded.
Hold the
Let me peel this back a little bit more here so we can.
focus. Focus.
So it is quite corroded down in here.
Yes, excessively.
So I'm wondering if that's causing our spark issue,
It might be.
because this one's also quite corroded. So
So I reckon we give those a clean and try her again.
then we'll hook up our poor and misshapen CDI box. Because honestly, if this works, we'll make this. We'll figure this one out. Because I don't know if I can get these. I don't know if I can get one of those.
Might be able to on the internet.
Might.
I'll give that a check while Trent does that. So we'll pick it back up in a sec. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we
Figured it out.
figured out some spark here. You can kind of see that on the camera. Can't really focus it. There we go. So we have spark. So now we just need to adjust our points.
Yep.
Because they're not engaging when we hit.
But it turns out we do need a 6-volt battery hooked up for it to run.
Yes. So we got our 6-volt charger on here.
Thank goodness I've got a
Rigged up
6-volt jump box.
Yes, because we've messed with 6-volt systems and blew one up.
Rest in pieces to 48. What?
So Trent's gonna adjust
that hammer?
ourselves or our shit
Our
down
points.
Our
If we can
points.
get this thing running tonight, my father will be very impressed.
Yeah, I'll poop my pants.
I'll pee my pants.
Oh.
I'll come.
Oh. Trifecta.
Please delete that from the video.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we
All right. I have sprayed down the carbon potato with fuel. The horn works.
we got a working horn.
Horn blows as the driver. So we got the spark. We got the spark figured out. And yeah, so we're gonna see if she.
So would you like to do the honors since
I
it is
would
your hog?
love to do the honors. I don't know if I got enough gas in there, so we're gonna find out.
You gotta kick it like you mean it.
Kick it like a boy.
Come on, put some ass behind it.
Oh no!
Put your nutsacker on top of those.
Get those alligator clamps on them balls, boy.
Stay. Okay. I gotta make sure. That's the only way to know if we have battery power. Dude, there's no good way to do this. Yeah, use your hand.
Got him.
Alright, I got another idea. What socket did you use to pull the spark plug out, dude?
18.
Armatures.
Turn the back pretender off, please.
No. All right.
Alright, ladies and germs.
Let's see if
All right.
this baby fires.
God, that
Aim
smells.
spinning over here.
God, that reeks.
Come on.
There it goes.
Ooh.
Come on, Bessie.
Kick it with your purse.
I'm gonna find compression. Find where it's gonna catch. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought I had it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tear into this,
Engine.
huh?
You gotta tear in that engine.
I'm gonna tear
Pull
into the
that
Kickstarter.
Pull that Kickstarter apart.
Yeah.
She seems like the hand more.
Well, it's because I can get more.
Yeah, keep doing it.
Alright, I guess let's check spark one more time.
I think we got it.
I just want to double check, because I had to change that wire around.
Oh, yeah.
So I want to just double check
All right.
and make sure we have spark still.
Right there.
We will get this thing to fire.
I do reckon.
It may not be run around the yard fire, but I want to at least hear it run a couple of seconds. Spark plug's wet at least.
Hey, you know who else is wet? My mom! Alright. Alright. We're gonna get this baby fired.
Ow! There's no brake up here, and that makes me uncomfortable. That's what I'm saying.
Brakes only slow you down. on, baby.
Why isn't the fuel tank hooked up?
It's not.
I said why isn't it?
That was a backfire.
Yes.
Out of the carb.
Yes.
It's been doing that a couple times.
Come on, hog. Come on, pig.
Here, piggy, 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 piggy. Oh, that was close. Oh, that was so close to firing. Oh, that
on,
was
baby.
another. Oh, she's so close.
Come on, baby.
Is it in neutral?
Yeah.
We hope.
Well, there's no brake, so I didn't know if it was gonna take off.
There's a brake right there and a brake right there. They both work.
I thought you said the brake didn't work.
No, it works. Front brake works great, actually.
Oh, dude, she's ready to rip.
He's ready, dude.
Oh, come on, baby. Yeah, bro.
Oh, come on, we're so close.
Not COVID.
Dude, come on.
Rolling car.
Come on, baby. Yes, sir.
Oh!
Hell yeah.
So I need a all it needs is a battery.
And tires.
Well, yeah. Oh!
Chris, keep the fuel injector ready to go.
Ready.
You're flooding her out. Damn TBI units.
Yeah.
Come on, fuel injector. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah, a fuel injector. Come on. Flooding her out.
All right, let's cut this video where it ends.
Yes.
I want to get a video to send to my father.
All right.
Wait, so
You think that's we'll make an outro momentarily.
Same day. The same day running.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'd say that was a success.
Oh yeah.
That was the goal of the video, is just to get this running. It'll definitely Trent, you think she'll be back on the channel for sure?
Oh yeah. This
I mean-
is the 70s air cleaner. That's as 70s as it gets right there.
Yeah, I mean that's pretty
Did
groovy,
you
right?
see that?
Hey man, I'd say that's pretty groovy.
Feels like I'm like on a shroom trip.
ST90, man.
Hell yeah.
Peace and love, dude.
Woodstock.
Woodstock. Dude, did you see the new Creedence Clearwater? It just dropped. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This will definitely be back on the channel whenever I see Trent, or whenever Trent sees me.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Right on my face.
Yeah. Any last words, Chris?
This thing's gnarly.
Yeah. All right. Enjoy, guys.